Disinfectants are meant to kill germs, but if they're not used properly, they can create risks of their own. Hi, I'm Natalie, your safety trainer. Let's talk about what to watch for when using disinfectants. Disinfectant products are used in many places, including homes, schools, manufacturing and warehousing facilities, and medical environments. They play an important role in reducing the spread of germs. However, the ingredients in these products can expose you or others to harm if they are not used or stored correctly.
Enjoying this safety video? There's more where that came from on GotSafety Lite. Sign up for free and gain access to our library of over 1,800 safety videos. If we don't have the lesson you're looking for, we'll make it at no cost. Click the link to sign up today.
In this video, we will cover what a disinfectant is, the hazards you may be exposed to when using these products, the personal protective equipment that may be needed, and some safe work practices to help reduce the risk of injury or other incidents. Let's start by talking about what exactly a disinfectant is. A disinfectant is a chemical product that contains active ingredients designed to kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms. On product labels, you may also see the term germs, which is a general word used to describe these microorganisms. It's common to hear disinfecting grouped together with cleaning and sanitizing, but they are not the same thing. Cleaning involves using soap and water along with physical effort to remove dirt, germs, and impurities from a surface, but it does not actually kill them. Sanitizing reduces the amount of bacteria to a level considered safe by public health standards, but it does not kill viruses, fungi, or other microorganisms. Disinfecting, on the other hand, is what kills those microorganisms. Some disinfectant products may also include cleaning agents, which allows them to both clean and disinfect at the same time. Because disinfectants are designed to kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms, they are classified as pesticides by both federal and state environmental protection agencies. Depending on the state, special licenses may be required to use disinfectants in commercial settings. If you have any questions about licensing requirements in your area, speak with your supervisor. When you're using a disinfectant, it's easy to focus on what it's killing and forget what it can do to you. If the product gets on your skin, it can cause irritation or even burns. If it splashes into your eyes, the irritation can be immediate and more serious. Breathing in fumes, vapors, or fine spray can also affect your lungs, especially in areas that aren't well ventilated. Some of the ingredients in disinfectants can trigger asthma symptoms, and with repeated exposure, they may even contribute to developing asthma. If you already have asthma or have concerns about it, that's something to talk through with your supervisor before using these products. Your body can also react to certain ingredients, which may lead to allergic reactions. And while it might seem obvious, ingesting disinfectants can cause poisoning or serious damage to your digestive system. There are also a couple of hazards that are easy to overlook. Some disinfectants can become a fire risk if they're used around heat, sparks, or open flames. And once they're applied, they can leave surfaces wet or slick, which increases the risk of slips, trips, and falls. Using disinfectant safely starts with protecting yourself from direct contact and exposure. Eye and face protection are important, since splashes can happen while mixing or applying products. Safety glasses or goggles, and in some cases a face shield, help protect against that. Your skin should be protected as well. Chemical-resistant gloves help prevent irritation or burns on your hands, and protective aprons or other clothing can keep the product off your body. Since some disinfectants give off fumes or can become airborne, a respirator may be needed depending on the product and the environment. Proper footing matters just as much as your other gear. Non-slip, closed-toed shoes or boots help protect your feet and reduce the risk of slipping on wet surfaces. Before using any PPE, take a moment to inspect it. If anything is worn or damaged, report it to your supervisor and do not use it. Using disinfectants safely comes down to understanding the product and following the right steps every time. These products should only be used by trained and authorized personnel. Before using one, make sure it's registered with the EPA. You can usually find the EPA registration number right on the label, or you can verify it through the EPA website. It's also important to make sure the disinfectant you're using is the right one for the job. Different products are designed to target specific germs and are approved for certain surfaces and environments. If you're unsure, check with your supervisor before moving forward. Take a moment to check the container before using it. It should not be damaged or leaking, and the label should be clear and easy to read. If anything is missing, damaged, or illegible, report it right away and do not use the product. This applies to secondary or dilution containers as well, which must be properly labeled. Before using the product, read the label carefully. It provides the manufacturer's instructions for safe and legal use. If something isn't clear, refer to the safety data sheet or speak with your supervisor. Keep in mind that disinfectants are classified as pesticides, and their labels are legally enforceable. If the label says it is a violation of federal law to use this product in a manner inconsistent with its labeling, that means the instructions must be followed exactly. The area where the product is used should be well ventilated. Before applying disinfectant, surfaces should be cleaned according to the label and your company's procedures. Skipping this step can make the disinfectant less effective. If the product needs to be diluted, follow the exact ratios provided on the label and in your company's procedures. If you have any questions about dilution, check with your supervisor. Keep dilution containers separate from other chemicals and dispose of any excess solution according to the label and all applicable regulations. When applying the disinfectant, follow the instructions carefully and make sure the product stays on the surface for the required contact time. Removing it too early or not using enough product can reduce effectiveness and may even contribute to germs becoming resistant. After use, make sure surfaces are rinsed if required by the label and store all disinfectants properly according to the manufacturer's instructions and your company's procedures. Once you're done, wash your hands before eating, drinking, smoking, or applying cosmetics, including lip balm. Disinfectants are chemical products designed to kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms. Because of that, they are classified as pesticides by the EPA and may require special licensing when used in commercial settings. To help reduce the risk of injury or incidents, use the appropriate personal protective equipment and always follow the manufacturer's label along with your company's policies and procedures. But remember, the label is the law. If you have any questions or concerns about a disinfectant your company uses, speak with your supervisor before continuing. Using disinfectants the right way protects both you and the people around you. Follow us for more workplace safety lessons, and we'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you follow the Okay. Sorry. I can't. Sorry. You're good, you're good.